For all you engineers at home looking for a decent promotion on cutting tools, look no further. Today I'm joined with LMT and we're going to be talking about the button mill. Lee, welcome. Tell us about your button mill and where it fits in the range.
Yeah, so the button mill, Joe, I guess it fits in the range between a 45 degree and a high feed cutter. It's got 12 usable inserts. It sits there on cost per edge. So that's where I'd pitch it in.
Yeah, and there's thousands of LMT holders in the marketplace, isn't there, button mills? It must be one of your better selling inserts. Very economical, a workhorse, multi-purpose.
Yeah, that's correct. It's multi-purpose, generally for the mould and die industry. Like I say, it's that cross range between a shoulder mill and a high feed, but we've still got plenty of inserts in the market. We've got a wide range of inserts and geometries that cover all the materials, and we've even got a CBN grade that will do your sort of harder materials as well.
Yeah, whilst we're on the inserts, talk to us about the grades. We've mentioned mould and die, but again, as always with LMT, it's not just mould and die.
No, it's not just mould and die. We've got a broad range of inserts, so you've got your steels, your stainlesses, your cast irons, your harder grades, sort of titaniums and stuff like that. So we are in mould and die, general engineering. It's for your general machine shops.
Mm-hmm. What I like about button mills, as I refer to them, they're great for slightly older machines, less power with high feed technology. Obviously the forces are going back up the spindle. That can be a challenge on some older machines, whereas the button fits in between the two, doesn't it, between a standard face mill and a high feed mill. Yeah,
so that's right. Obviously the high feed was brought out for sort of your newer machines that are wanting to remove material very quickly. The button sits on your sort of older generation machines, but still up there that are kind to your machines by sending the forces to your spindle to look after your old machines, basically. Yeah,
no, for sure. And it's a slightly different strategy, and it's still attractive feed rates, but just slightly larger depth of cut. So metal removal rate isn't going to be a million miles away, certainly for a face milling operation.
No, so that's correct. Obviously, like we say, with a high feed, you take smaller depth of cut, higher feed, higher speed. With this, you're still up there with the feed rates, but you're taking a larger depth of cut, probably up to in the realms of 4 mil depth of cut. Mm-hmm. So you are going to be removing that material still pretty quickly.
And tell us about the promotion.
So the promotion is, we've got a promotion running at the minute. It's 10 inserts per pocket and you get the body for free. That's a minimum of 20 inserts. But on a tool like this, you're never going to have 2 inserts in it. So you're going to be purchasing more than 20 inserts. Okay,
so for engineers watching this video, how do they learn more about the product and again the promotion?
So to learn more about this, you just come to LMT UK and on the website, and then that will put you in touch with all the engineers on the road to discuss more.
Many thanks, Lee. So there we have it. If you want to learn more about the button mill from LMT or any of their products, why not speak with the team at LMT UK?